and welcome back to my channel. So I recently received a little package from Coco Eve for their hair mask, and I just wanted to share the results with you really. So they sent me like a little bundle. So I got the main mask itself. Now this is the super nourishing coconut and fig hair mask, the Like a Virgin one, which to be honest I've seen absolutely everywhere. It seems to have gone viral. And I have looked at videos and pictures before and been quite impressed with the results that people have achieved. And I was dying to try it out myself. So when they did contact me, I was like, yes, please. So this is infused with coconut, fig, shea butter, linseed and argan oil to help strengthen and get hair back to its pure virgin state. So it's like a virgin again. Our supercharged formula delivers hydration from root to tips, nourishing hair damaged by heat, styling, dyes and the environment. Helps improve hair texture by targeting frizz, covering split ends and adding gloss, which to be honest I did need. I have been really looking after my hair lately. I mean, I have just gone back to blonde, but I have still been looking after my hair. I've been using a lot of moisturising hair masks. I've been using a lot of the Revolution ones, which I've got a separate video if you want to check that out as well. And yeah, it has really improved the condition of my hair. I tend to use a hair mask, to be honest, twice a week at the moment. And yeah, I find it really helps. So with this mask, I also got I have actually broken the zip bit of this. I got a little microfiber towel, which is really cute design. So it's got the like the leafy design on it. And this is actually really quite absorbent. I've had, you know, the cheap sort of £1 ones from Poundland or Primark or whatever, and they're okay. But this is like, you know, this is the big daddy of hair towels. So yeah, and it's really soft as well. And what I do is I put the hair mask on and then I put this on while it's taking to kind of help it to heat up a bit and kind of penetrate the hair. And then there is also a cute little detangler brush as well to obviously comb the conditioner through your hair. So once it's on, you just leave it on for 10 minutes, rinse it off and then style it as you normally would. What I've done is I did actually film a little TikTok of me doing this. So I'll insert that now so you can actually have a look for yourself and see the before and after results. So yeah, I mean, you can see for yourself, it really does make a difference. And I mean, I use minimal styling products afterwards because my hair tends to get greasy quite quickly. So I don't like to put too many styling products on my hair. I might put a little bit of serum on the ends and just some like heat protectant spray, but that's about it. So yeah, I'm really impressed with it. And I kind of alternate between that one and the Revolution ones. But yeah, if you want to check that out for yourself, if you do fancy, you know, treating your hair, then I do actually have a 10% discount code, which I'll leave in the description box below, so you can check that out if you want the links down there as well. But yeah, so just a short and sweet video really. I just really wanted to show you this product and what it did to my hair, because I've had quite a few people asking me, you know, how do you get your hair in such a good condition? How is it so shiny? Well, yeah, I mean, some of it is the lighting, but a lot of it is down to basically just the conditioning products that I have been using. So I hope you enjoyed watching, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up and I'd really appreciate it. It'd mean the absolute world to me if you did enjoy watching this video and you would like to see more content from me in the future and you would like to subscribe to my channel. Until then, thanks for watching. Bye!